In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 20, exercise 5.3, arithmetic progressions. Observe this question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. In a potato race, one bucket, this is a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. This is the potato race in which bucket is placed at the starting point, and this bucket which is 5 meters from the first potato. There is a first potato. There is what? First potato. Then this one. Then there. Then there. These three potatoes are there. One potato is hand of this competitor. Then this one, like this. Clear? Now, which is bucket is placed, which is 5 meters from the first potato. It means this point to bucket distance, this distance is what? 5 meters. Clear? And the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart. First potato is placed 5 meters from the bucket, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. After this one, next potato is placed there, and distance between both one is what? 3 meters. Next one is placed 3 meters from this one, next one is placed 3 meters from this one, and like this. It means only distance between bucket to first potato is 5 meters. Remaining distance between two potatoes is what? 3 meters. Only this one is the bucket to first potato distance is 5 meters. Remaining potatoes distance is what? 3 meters each. In between both 3 meters. In between both 3 meters. In between 3 meters. Like this all. Clear? We understand? Till there are 10 potatoes. This is important. In the race, how many potatoes we are having? In this race, we are having 10 potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 potatoes are there. Clear? See figure. A competitor starts from the bucket. Competitor starting race from the bucket. A competitor starts race from the bucket. This is important point. Competitor starts from the bucket. Picks up the nearest potato. In the starting, competitor starts from the bucket and picks up the nearest potato. Competitor starting from this point, and its nearest potato is 5 meters away from this one. Nearest potato distance from this bucket is 5 meters. This to this distance we are having 5 meters. Clear? Starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it and drop it in the bucket. Observe. Competitor starting, traveling 5 meter distance, pick up this potato, first potato, and runs back. Pickups nearest potato and runs back with it. Runs with the potato and drop it in the bucket. Starts from bucket to this one. Competitor travels what? 5 meter distance. Pick up potato first one. Then runs back to bucket. Again 5 meters traveling. It means 5 meters from the bucket to first potato, and runs back again 5 meters from first potato to first potato point to this bucket. It means, for take this one, competitor competitor runs this distance 2 times. This to this one, this to this one. Clear? Observe. Competitor starts race from bucket to this one. Pick up this one and runs back. Start from this to this one 5 meter and runs back again 5 meter traveling. It means 5 meter running, 5 meter and 5 meter. It means double of this distance running. So what we can say, according to question, how we are making this equation? Observe carefully. What about its solution? According to question, first potato 2 times of 5 meter. Next one runs from bucket to this one 5 meter, runs back this to this one again 5 meter. It means double of this one, 2 times of 5. Clear? Next, till we understand, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up. Now runs back, starts this one, pick up this first potato, runs back and drop in the bucket. Now starts running from this bucket to pick up next potato. It means to pick up this potato, to pick up second potato, what distance run by the competitor? 5 plus 3, 8 meter distance run. It means what we can say, again pick up this potato, second potato, runs back to drop in the bucket, starts this to this one and runs back to drop this one. It means 2 times of 5 plus 3. Yes or no? Now competitor is there, starts running to pick up what? To pick up third potato. It means this traveling, pick up and runs back to drop in a bucket. It means again 2 times of what? 2 times of, this is the 5 plus 3 plus 3, 5 plus 3 plus 3. And next, now fourth one. Now competitor is there, starts running to pick up what? Fourth potato. It means pick up and runs back. It means 2 times running this path. So we can say 2 times of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yes or no? 3 plus 3 plus 3 to pick up this one. Clear? And so on. Clear? Like this competitor picking all potatoes and dropping in the bucket. Once going from bucket to potato and runs back. It means this path is traveling 2 times. Once is going and running back. Clear? So like this we are having. Solve this one. 5 2 ja 10. Next one 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 2 ja 16. Next one 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 2 ja 22. Next one 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 2 ja 14, 2 ja 28 and so on, like this. Clear? Now observe the sequence. Second minus first one, we are getting 6. Third minus second one, we are getting 6. Fourth minus third one, we are getting what? 6. It is an AP. What? This sequence is an AP. It is an AP. This sequence is an AP. This sequence is an AP. it is an AP, so its first term is what? 10. Common difference D equal to what? Second term minus first term will be what? 6. And number of the terms, it means total potatoes in this race we are having 10. Clear? We require what? And she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Total distance we want to find. Clear? So we will sum all these numbers. This distance, we are sum all this distance, and to find total distance we will sum all these. So we can say sum of nth term of the AP formula we will use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Why we are using this one? Because we want to find total distance competitor has to run. Total distance we want to find. To pick up first potato, what is the distance? 5 meter plus 5 meter, 10 meter. For this one, 10 plus 16. To pick up this one, 10 plus 16 plus 22. Like to pick up this one, it means we will add these all, and to add these all we will use sum of nth term of an AP formula. Now all things n, a, d we are having. Put the values as what? N is what? 10. So we can say as 10 will be what? 10 by 2 into 2 times of a. A is what? First term of an AP. 10 plus 10 minus 1 into d. D is what? Common difference. D is the 6. Solve this one. 10 by 2 will be 5 into 10 2s are 20 plus 9 into 6. Solve this one. 5 into 20 plus 9 5s are 54. What we are getting? 5 into 4, 5 plus 2 7, 74. Product both 5 4s are 20, 2 is remaining, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 2 37, 370. This is the total distance. We are having distance in a meter, so total distance will be in a meter. So 370 meter will be the total distance the competitor has to run. This is the required answer. Again observe simple question. In a potato race, there is one potato race. A bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. This bucket distance from first potato is 5 meters, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. Other potatoes, in this race we are having 10 potatoes. Other potatoes, first one is placed 5 meters from the bucket, remaining all are placed 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters like this. Clear? We want to find what total distance and how competitor is running. There are 10 potatoes in a line. A competitor starts from the bucket. Competitor starts running from a bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket. Competitor starts from the bucket, picks up first potato and runs with this potato and drop it in a bucket. It means one time going from bucket to potato and runs back. It means two times this path is running by what? Competitor. So this to this one and this to this one again runs back. Clear? So in this way we are getting to pick up first potato 2 times of 5, to pick up second potato 2 times of 5 plus 3, 5 is this one and 3 is this one, so 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2? Because competitor starts from the bucket to pick up and runs back to drop potato in a bucket. So we are multiplying each 2 times. Similarly, this process we are applying these 10 potatoes. Then once we observe, we are getting this is an AP. So we want to total distance the competitor has to run. So we will use sum of nth term of an AP formula. We will put the values of n, a and d and solve. Then we are getting 370 meter will be what total distance run by what competitor. This is the required answer. Simple question. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.